Yan guys, good morning. Fishing again, part 5, Santa Cruz. Dito na naman kami sa Santa Cruz, malamig pag. Ayan si Ninong. Kasi wala yata yung mga anchovies. Ayun, mga silayon. Saan yung mga silayon tadi?
Sila.
Saan?
Ayun sila.
Ayun sila, oh. Ayan, natutulog, oh. Oh. Yun sila. Tatago pa. Ayun guys, ang dami. And they're coming. Ang daming anchovies guys, oh. Isda lahat yan, oh.
This is duck. I have like 20 duck.
20 duck.
Yeah, feed the duck.
Wait, it's far. It's too far.
Oh. Go back.
It's far, daddy. It's far. Just wait a little bit.
Oh my God.
Snag, mommy. And they're coming. Nothing. Wait, daddy, not yet. One moment. It's far. Yeah.
Okay now.
Try it. 1, 2. There we go. Go ahead. Ah, nothing. Miss it. You miss it. Miss mo. Got miss.
Pinis mo tabatok ng suna.
Well. Yan na. Second try. There we go, daddy, over here. This way. There we go. It's okay. You got it there. They're coming. Over here. Huh? Yeah. Nothing. Oh, you got one. There, mommy, they're coming. Yeah. Dati, try ito. Eh, tayakpan. There's a lot.
Open hand.
Sige. Ang dami nila. Oh, ang daming isda. Here, mommy. Where are you, mommy? And that's my mommy. Yee! How about daddy? Yee! Nothing! Ah, ang dami nila, oh.
Dami dito eh.
Gari, ay, kagarita ko nga kinaka. Ngayon, nakachamba na naman kami, men, oh. Dami. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Iguin mo natin eh.
Guys, ako naman.
Dati iguin mo siya dito eh.
Video na lang namin. Video.
Okay, picture.
Barakate.
Ito ka bang.
Wait. Where is it?
Small.
Go, pull it.
Ay, jak kasta.
3. 1, 2, 3. Kamu gawin sa kumain. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Up.
Magtatabi dyan kami. Kasi malakasta.
Gari ka. Okay. Look at what Vincent and Esmeraldo got. Woohoo! Uy, picture.
Gawin mas nakikita. Gawin gasman.
Han, happy birthday.
Let's up you pick up that thing now.
Wait, happy birthday. Look at me.
Oh my God.
63 years old. Oh my God.
Take out this thing.
Yan mami. Yan guys, nakachamba na naman. Isang laglag ko. Ito nang job namin ngayon.
That's the one I don't like that big net right there. That one's stuck. Yeah, but
Wow. Dami. Diyan pa sila oh. Pero mas marami yung nakaraan. Hindi namin may iangat yun. Ito na iangat na namin. Yan guys, magtatanggal muna kami ng nahuli namin no. Sumabit lahat sa sumabit lahat. Christmas tree.
Problema ko na ngayon. Ano?
Ang dami. Shout out. Shout out daddy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday daw. Birthday boy. Hi. Yan. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe. Pa-support po yung channel. Ang daming part 5.
Oh, ayan.
Yan si mami oh. Yee!
Birthday off. Ganito. Okay.
Yan. Oh, yan na. Sobrang dami guys. Pati sila yan. Ang dami oh. Grabing habol ng isda. Too much sila yun. Yan, isda lahat yan guys. Yan sa baba na yan no. Grabe, pista. Nag-video pa ya.
Yeah.
Yan, di ko lang na-video yung pangalawang kuha. Dami na. Kalating color na naman.
What kind of fish are they feeding on? That's a lot of anchovies there.
Yeah.
That's what their sea lions are eating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you do with them?
My coworker, you know, my coworker likes to have
Yeah, a lot of sea lion.
Too? They're okay if they die? They don't have to stay alive?
No. They just put some
Grabe guys. Punto sawa dito. Nakakalati na naman. Part 5. Kalating color na naman tong lalaki ngayon. Sobrang lalaki nila. Oh. Lalaki tong mga anchovies na to ngayon. Nakachamba na naman kami. Birthday boy. Shout out sa Ilocos Norte.
sa Philippines. Par 5.
Shout out sa Bangi.
birthday ni Daddy. Fishing.
Fish.
Life. Life of Esmeralda.
Fish on.
Fish on.
But this is pissed off.
Bakit yata na?
Woohoo!
Yata tinangikuan.
Ah.
That's the one.
Yee-hee.
Oh, ano,